All right, so I'm trying to find out when the population of Long Island will reach 10 million people. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for A. So I need to look at when the current time, when the year equals zero, and that is 8 million people, a year equals zero. So when I take B to any power, it becomes 1. So now I'm left with 8 million equals 20 million divided by 1 plus A. I'm going to do the Anderson swap. Put the 1 plus A over on the left. 8 million is my denominator. So 20 million divided by 8 million is going to give me 25. Subtract 1 from both sides. I get A equals 24. Now, after I've solved for A, I'm going to find B by using the point negative 102 million, because 100 years ago it had 2 million people. So I'm going to set this equation up with 2 million as my y and negative 100 as my x, or my time. So I'm going to Anderson swap those two. I'm going to have 20 million over 2 million, which is 10. Subtract 1 from both sides. I'm left with 24b to the negative 100 equals 9. Divide both sides by 24. And then I'm going to take the negative 100th root of 9 over 24, and I get 1.0096. Now, once I get my B, now I have A is 24, B is 1.0096 or 000986. I'm going to substitute to find out when the population will reach 10 million people. I'm going to solve for T. So it's the same process over and over again. Anderson swap. I get 20 million over 10 million, which is 2. Subtract 1 for both sides. Divide by 25. However, at this point, I'm going to need to take the log of the base, 1.00986, of 1/25 equals T. I get negative 328.065, which is really positive 328.065. And that is the number of years, how many years it's going to take for the population to reach 10 million.